Hi guys, and welcome to week 3 of CMI-314 Children's Ministry. As you guys know, we've been working on lesson plans and everything, and we're just gonna dive a little bit more into that and finish up our first lesson plan on Adam and Eve. I hope you guys are enjoying that. You guys are doing a great job. Just make sure to read the rubric before you start your assignment, and then also embed your fixed revisions from the previous weeks into this week's extended lesson plan, because part of your grade is to see if you implemented some of those changes that I had in the previous week. So once you get your grade back, I should be finished grading those today. Once you get your grade back, go ahead and look at the rubric, because I embed comments in there all the time. And if you have any questions, just please reach out to me via email, or if you need a Zoom meeting. Just if I can answer any personal questions, just go ahead and email me so we can schedule a time for that. So this week, make sure you're continuing to read in your Children's Matter book. I hope you guys are enjoying that. And then also click on these Childhood Development Theorist and Spiritual Formation. These are links, so when they have an underline on them, that means they are embedded. Make sure to answer your discussion questions. DQ1 is due on Wednesday. DQ2 is due on Friday. Make sure also, friendly reminder, that part of your participation is 20% of the entire class. So it's crucial that you're not only, participating in discussion question 1 for the week, but you're also splitting that time and doing it for discussion question 2, because you need to have a minimum of 3 responses on 3 separate days, but splitting between the 2 discussion questions to receive full credit. And that's a huge part of your grade, so make sure you're doing that. And then assignment 3 is just finishing up the lesson plan as we move forward, and then respond to classmates. And then also just a friendly reminder, if you need prayer this week or just encouragement, please use this forum. This is a great forum. You can find this if you go to discussions. It will be on one of the discussion crusts. It says prayer forum, so please use that and utilize that, because we want to come along, aside each other and just really encourage one another as we go through this class. Like I said, if you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out to me, and keep up the good work. We'll see you in the classroom soon.